Good. They can fly pretty high.
I know, yeah. There's that picture in that. Did you see where they landed?
And they just blasted into the woods. So we were getting ready to go to Grandpa's. We were gonna leave because we're gonna burn his junk pile. And then Mom got a text from her friend saying, "Hey, we're gonna come stop by." And so then Mom's like, drop everything. The red alarm was like going off, and we had to quickly rush into action and clean everything. And that's still going on a little bit, but hey, look, my bed's made. You don't see that very often. Calvin's side of the room is still a little messy compared to my side of the room, at least. Yeah. I don't know what that is, but that's probably a warning. Didn't take very much. We gotta get those buckets over there, Calvin. Still going. It's snowing out, still hard, pretty hardcore style. Curtis and Calvin just went to go get pizza for us, and I was like, well, unless we're gonna go eat inside, which I doubt we are, we're gonna need a place to eat it. So I ingenuized and I built this. See, that's the table there. See, it's got this nice roof. It could really use a tarp. Which there's one over there that Grandpa keeps plowing up further into the pile, way over there. And if I could get a hold of that, that would be fantastic. It would complete the structure out, because I could put in some walls on the sides. Because right now you can see the snow is still blowing in and getting on the table, because it's falling at an angle. But if I could put a wall in, we'd be all set. So I'm gonna try and run over there and steal the tarp, but Grandpa keeps plowing it further and further away. So I doubt we're gonna get a hold of it. Okay, I was able to retrieve a piece of tarp, but not enough to make that much of a difference. I mean, it's doing all right. Grandpa said we'll just eat inside. So I kind of just did this for nothing, but it was fun at least, right? Here, let's take a look. I call it the Pizza Hut. Looks like something you'd find in the apocalypse. Sort of a ramshackle dump, if you will. Hey, Rigbo and Rigbo! Welcome to the Pizza Hut, huh? You see, I built the Pizza Hut. Grandpa said we could just eat inside.
Like inside the house?
Yeah, well, in the basement.
We're going to eat in the Pizza Hut by the fire.
Well, Pizza Hut's not close enough to the fire to make it warm. Calvin, doesn't that look like something you'd see in Fallout?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Ooh, Fallout!
Yeah, bro. I haven't quite perfected the design, so the snow still gets in on the bench. No, you can't center it, because the snow comes in at an angle. So if you have it centered, it's going to get snow on it faster. That's why I was all the way back there. Trust me, I tested it. Tested it 3 times. Oh, that's the good one there. Great ball of fire, that's for me. Sweet Mercy's Heaven, that's the one I want to bolt of. Let's get a slurping sapple of that, huh? Great gulping Benjamins. Benjamin J. Washington Franklin, time traveler. Let's get some bite on that. God, let's get some bite on this. But I didn't do a very good job cutting it.
We never do.
Anybody want a Pepsi?
I'll have one, please.
Yes, please.
Me, please.
Oh, Hurwitz, that's nice. Look at that. Ooh. Jaywitz, that's good. Hang on, Curtis, I feel like I'm gonna fall off. You gonna make it?
Worst Christmas gift given this year.
Hey, there we go. Back to that crispy footage. It just needed to warm up, that's all. That's all. We were just at Grandpa's burning it down. Then I decided I was going to, film us getting towed by the four-wheeler. Bad idea. The camera got soaked. I thought I lost you guys for a minute there. But after it dried out and warmed up, everything's working fine. The weapon system is fully operational. We are now hanging out at the hardware store. It's snowing pretty hardcore styles. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but...
Where the head gasket is. Where it blew out.
Yeah, it's really coming down out there. Alright, so we'll catch you once we get back home. I might go back outside with the GoPro, of course, not this one. Not doing that again, not bringing you guys out in a snowstorm. So we're gonna go home. Yeah, and we'll see what comes from there. Alright, snow's still falling. We've gotten to about a foot of snow right now. Right now. So we're gonna head out on the golf cart and rip. We've got the GoPro charged up, so. Would you like to cough again for us? My phone just went off. No, I don't care about that. Alright, yeah, we're going inside. Snowing out looking for a sled right now. There's that one. There should be a plastic sled right about here. Sometimes I get amazed at how well I can find my way around the junk pile that is my car. So with any luck, we will be being towed behind the golf cart on this, just like we were on Christmas Eve. But, you know, 10 inches outer. Maybe there's more than that. Pretty freaking close to a foot. how it got by. Probably our dogs. So this has been a terrible waste of time. I'm now cold and wet. I wasted a clean pair of socks for this. The back tires aren't even spinning. Okay, so we're back inside now, and you know, I mean, it's always entertaining to be outside in a snowstorm, you know, especially when it's like this big one is really blasting down, so there's like no way you're not going to get completely covered head to toe in snow. We were talking about going skiing tomorrow, you know, leave first thing in the morning, hit the slopes and the fresh powder, but I don't think it's going to happen. Mainly because Curtis and Carter don't want to go, and I'm not going to go by myself. So, I don't know. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I'm going to go watch Suicide Squad and edit this.